welcome back to the channel. Before I get into what's going on with the Corrado, I want to give a big thank you to all the people who have reached out to me and want me to keep doing videos on this car. I think that's pretty cool. But with that being said, today we'll probably just be taping up the car, and then tomorrow or Friday I will be spraying the car and getting it an epoxy primer and sealed up for the winter. But I'm going to give you a good show around of the car real quick of everything I've prepped, and then we'll do a time lapse of me taping it. Alright, so I'm going to walk around the car real quick and show you all some of the prep work that I had to do to get it to this point. I'm going to start out on the bottom of the rocker. I went ahead and took all the seam sealer off of here and got it smoothed down. This corner of the car right here, I had to build out of sheet metal. I did that on both sides, so I'll throw some pictures up from my phone of that. I also prepped the window seal area to make sure that there wasn't any rusting behind there, as well as the windshield area. I went ahead and prepped the cowl and the rain tray, the door seal, and if we walk around here on the driver's side, there was a rust spot right here in the jam. I'll go ahead and put some pictures up so you can see what that looked like before and after. Other than that, there really isn't too much that went into prepping this. Some of the rust fix was kind of a pain, but all I did was prep it with 80 grit. The epoxy primer that I'm using is this right here. That's Southern Polyurethanes. They want you to use 80 grit to prep it with, and then anything else I had that I couldn't reach with 80 grit, I'll just hit it with red Scotch-Brite pad. But let's go ahead and tape this thing up and get it ready. Went ahead and put the Corrado in 2 coats of epoxy. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for this video. In the next one, we'll be talking about the motor and ripping it down probably. But until then, I will see you guys later and enjoy the finished product.